outside. So when you look at the males, you'll notice one has a little bit more darker and you guys hear the noise that the males do? The females don't. Oh my lord, look at the stupidity over there. Get out and all. They are like that. They don't like being seen like that. So obviously if you notice our female busy eating right here in front of us, you'll notice that she feeds us at least 5 times. It's the Mercedes that's sitting there. They just closed up. No, I think we found the one he's targeted, which is the white line outside. Yeah, the one that's furthest away. I told you targeted her. Run, girl! Run! 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 Sometime before it comes to the female in front of us. Girl, good luck. By the way, this is the boss. Ben. He gets the ladies first. So he's the one that is the ladies and gentlemen, he's mating with that lioness. So he was just making sure the lioness is not next to his brother. He's not even trying to fight her for a food. He wants something. You have to play nice.
Banana bom,